Think you'll save money by skipping using an agent and selling your home yourself? Last year, homes sold with an agent went for almost 15% more than those sold without one. That's tens of thousands of dollars that you could be leaving on the table. And with more homes on the market now than we've seen in years, this is not the market for DIY selling. Today's buyers are much pickier. Competition is fierce, and selling takes strategy. That means precision pricing, expert staging, professional marketing, and tough negotiation skills. Things most FSBO, for sale by owner, sellers simply don't bring to the table. In fact, Zillow found that 21% of FSBO sellers ended up hiring an agent anyway after struggling on their own. So why risk it? If you want to sell for top dollar and avoid costly mistakes, DM me top dollar and I'll show you exactly how to get your home sold right the first time. I'm Tanja Odzak, a realtor with eXp Realty. I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. With over $85 million in homes sold and going on 10 years of experience, I know how to help you win in any market. I'm Tanja and I sell homes. Call me today and let's get you going.